Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the North Miami Beach checking out this gorgeous home.
This one, 8-bedroom, 8.5 bathrooms with a water view in North Miami Beach.
And there is insane details that you will love it. Let's go to check it out. As soon as you step inside, you feel how bright is the home. You can see the double high ceiling door, of course. It's bringing natural light. And right on the side, we have a staircase. I think it's a masterpiece. But of course, you have the glass elevator. I think this is the one of the coolest thing that you can have in the Miami home because you don't see that one often.
Exactly, it makes house more futuristic.
Definitely. From here, we can move to the living room area. It's big, but still feel cozy, I can say. I like the color palette, super soft, minimalist, and with the art, it's give different character.
Yeah, and I like the combination of the modern art along with some old pieces like this writing machine and modern hookah.
Definitely, and they combine with the wood, white, and all this kind of natural tone. It's a perfect thing, you know?
Yeah.
And the other cool part is, of course, when you slide down these doors, you are outside looking to your pool with the beautiful view. So once you have like this view, you don't need a TV.
For sure, and the amount of natural light definitely double-sized the house.
And moving here, we are going directly to the kitchen. So it's open layout. We have here huge dining area. So basically you can bring all your friends in a one time.
Yeah.
So no excuse for the dinner parties. So you have a lot of space for the, you know.
And I like the oversized countertop, which is definitely will make you cook once in a while.
Once in a while. Once you have such a house like this, I think you should cook more often because your friends gonna stay over for sure more than one time a week. Of course, kitchen has a lot of lights. While you cook here or you make your morning coffee, you just watch the sunrise. I think it's the best thing for to start the day.
And another cool part of this kitchen is the top-level appliances, which is all over.
And you have a lot of appliances that just for you to cook. By the way, I like the details in this home. One of the thing is this dining table. It's a real wood and with the glass top, it's just something different, no?
Yeah, it's impressive how such a modern house combine modern design along with the natural materials.
Yeah, definitely. And I wanted to keep for later, but I don't want to hold for myself long than this. Let's go outside. I think this is the best part of the home. Okay, are you ready? I think this is the Miami dream life. Look at this. You got a pool the same size of your dog. So you can just enjoy your day and go here. Let's go actually. So you have here another dining area. Plus you have here lounging area with the summer kitchen and you have a TV, you have a view. You can bring your yacht, boat, whatever your mood is. I think this is the coolest home ever.
Yeah, and the best part, you don't have to take care of the garden at all because you don't have any grass and you just prepare for
just enjoy the Miami
nice time
summer.
spending. Exactly. And I like this zone with the top level of hospitality where you definitely can fit any size of the party.
That's for sure. And the other part is that you have a dock here. It's 5 feet, so you can bring your boat easily. But another thing that I would love to mention, the privacy. Since you got the house like this, you want to throw a party and you don't want anyone to see. So this is the one of the party house.
And another cool part, even with this level of the security around, you still have a few minutes access to the main ocean through your own canal.
Definitely. Also, it's gated community, so you feel you have a home, but you still feel secure in this neighborhood. I would love to stay here and enjoy more, but there is so many room that we have to check it out. And let's go inside.
For sure, let's take a look.
By the way, pool is heated.
Yeah, even in Miami, you don't really need often the heated pool, but it's nice to have, right?
Yeah, definitely. Before we go upstairs, let's take a look one of the guest bedroom in this floor. It's right by the entrance. You have a double bed. It's kind of like a hotel room, right?
Yeah, it's nice for, again, keeping the party in a house.
Definitely. But it doesn't feel you the cold vibe. You still feel like you are home, you know? And let's go upstairs. By the way, you are taking the stairs. I'm going with the elevator. Meet me there. So.
All right. Welcome.
Thank you. Yes, it was the experience. I love it. It's so futuristic.
Yeah, the vacuum elevator is the most like untypical part of the house you can find, even in Miami.
Definitely. And you're landing these clouds, I will say. This is a nap room.
Yeah, I like the way the hospitality meets the art in this house.
And in this second floor, there is 6 rooms that we have to see. Let's start from here. By the way, this home is like art gallery, right?
Exactly.
My favorite, I think this one is the Frida Kahlo. It's super cool. Which one is your favorite?
I like this one the most, to be honest.
Yeah, it's cool. It's so much color for me. I like basics. I know you will be upset, but the art is not included the price.
Oh well.
So, but the furniture you can, I think, negotiate with the homeowner.
That's
so
a
you
good
can.
part. And this is pretty much your master bedroom, right?
Yes. So they made it with double beds because they are secondary home. You can use the same way that they are keeping double beds, but ideally you can just pull a one bed king side and you can just use as a main bedroom. And the another one here is the Brazilian artist Romero, his art. So I think the home has over $1 million art inside of the unit. What do you
That's
think?
impressive.
That's for sure. I'm not sure with the prices, but definitely. And here we have a bathroom with the walk-in shower. Imagine you waking up here.
Yeah, the view here is literally impressive.
All right, insane. Let's go to check other rooms.
Yeah, this is a perfect guest room.
Right? They keep the design same for all rooms, so no one have to fight. I like this room, that room, you know. Every room is similar. All room has a beautiful art, and all the room has their own bathroom. So this is the most important thing, because when you bring all the people in the same home, of course they need their bathroom at the same time.
I think it's the best fit for the second home.
Definitely. Go to the other rooms. But, oh my God, look at this, Ivan.
Wow, that's impressive.
Let's go outside. Look at this private balcony.
Wow.
It's insane.
Yeah, this is the best spot for all family members to meet up on the second floor.
Definitely. So I feel like the downstairs is more like gathering old friends. This is more like, leave me alone. I just want to enjoy my time, you know?
Yeah, for sure, this kind of thing.
So let's finalize the home. I like everything. There's a plenty of room. If it's me, honestly, I will turn into a boutique hotel. So it's 8 bedrooms, 8.5 baths, over 5,000 square foot, and 5 feet of dog outside. I think great opportunity.
Yeah, that's impressive size of the house, especially if you want to gather a big group of friends or keep the huge family under the same roof. This is the place to stay. And loveliest part that you can get to the ocean in a few minutes from your own dock. That's
Definitely
something unique.
But don't forget, my favorite one is the vacuum elevator.
Yeah,
so
that's probably the
I
best.
wish I can take home with me. Let's go downstairs.
All right, now it's gonna be my turn.
Come on, Ivan, be gentleman.
Sorry, next time.
Oh my God. Let's talk a little bit about the location, the neighborhood.
Yeah, the Keystone Island is kind of super private area, and at the same time you still have water access. There's no fixed bridges, so you're literally a few minutes away on a boat from the ocean.
And you are just minutes away from the South Beach, sunny islands, great schools and restaurants.
Yeah, you got everything around and...
Miami has to offer, you know?
Exactly.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And if you're looking to buy your future home in Miami, just call us and see you in the next one.